Hi everyone, how are you? I think all of you are fit and fine. This is Rahul sir here to give some information about second part of now. Take a pen and a notebook. If you find anything new, so write down as quick as possible. You will learn quickly by doing it. To get most out of this video, watch it till the end. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, remember what we have learned previous video. So, what is a noun? Noun is a word that contains person, place, things, and an idea. Okay. Then we discuss about classifications of nouns. Nouns are basically four categories. First, proper noun and common noun. Second, collective noun. Third, countable and uncountable noun. Fourth, concrete noun and abstract noun. Okay. Already we have learned about proper noun and common noun. So first of all, what is proper noun? Proper noun, name of particular person, place or thing. What is common noun? Common noun is we name we given in general to all person, place or things. Let's see the example. Okay. Bhatsal is a good boy. Here, Bhatsal is a proper name. So that's why Bhatsal is called a proper noun. Okay. Next, here saving say boy. Boy is a name general to any boy. That's why boy is examples of common noun. Okay. Then we discuss about collective nouns, referred to group or collections of person, place, things. Okay. Example, bunch of book. Understood? If you want more information, so you just go to the previous video. Understood? Now we will go to the next category, countable noun and uncountable noun. What is countable noun? Countable noun are nouns that things we can count using number. This noun can be singular and plural forms. Okay. This noun can singular and plural forms. Looks example. A dog, a man and 3 bags. Okay. Let's see countable noun example in form of sentences. Let's look countable noun example in forms of sentences. Okay. Ramesh has a pencil. Ramesh has a pencil. So here a pencils is examples of countable noun. Okay. She has 2 dogs. How many dogs? She has 2 dogs. So 2 is countable noun. How many friends do you have? So friends is category of countable noun as we can count. Understood? As we can count. So that's why friend is category of which noun? Countable noun. Okay. Understood? Countable nouns are basically 2 types. Okay. Singular forms and plural forms. So what is singular forms? If there is one and only one person, place or things involved, then we can call it is singular. Singulars always use a, an and the are used while using them. Example, a vase, an orange and the sun. Let's see the example in the sentences. The bird flew away. Here the bird is specific. So this is countable noun. Our dog is man's best friend. Our dog is man's best friend. Our dog is singular. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Here an apple is singular. Let's see the plural forms. If there is more than one person, place or things involved, then we can call them plural forms. Okay. How many is used to find quantity of plural forms? How many is used to find quantity of plural form? Singular nouns is changed to plural by adding s, es, is, many times bes at the end of sentences. Let's see the example of singular noun and their plural forms, like cow, cows, match, matches, box, boxes, lady, ladies. Okay, let's see the example in sentences. Okay, let's see the examples in sentences. The monkey started eating banana. So here what will be the plural forms? The monkeys started eating bananas. Understood? Then next example, the bird flew away. What will be the plural form? The birds flew away. Next example, the thief put the jewel in the bag. The thieves put the jewels in the bag. Okay. Let's see another category is uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are nouns that things we cannot count using number. We can use some or any with them. Understood? We can use some or any with them. Then usually do not have plural forms. Like this example, tea, water, sugar. You can count tea. You can count butter. No, you can't count also sugar. Now see example in the sentences about uncountable noun. First, this news is very important. This news is very important. Here news, they are having no plural forms, so it is uncountable noun. I love listening music. Music is uncountable noun. Okay. Have you got any rice? Rice is here used as a uncountable noun because we cannot count a rice. Okay. I can suppose you are clear with the category of countable and uncountable noun. What we learned in this video? First, revisions of noun and its two categories. Okay. So first is proper noun and common noun and collective nouns. And now we learned about countable noun and uncountable noun. Understood? And singular and plural forms in countable nouns. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to get regular update